Hello viewers, welcome to today's English classroom. Well, in this session, we'll talk about A to Z imperatives. Well, come, let's speak English. Now, we'll begin with small sentences that gives you confidence. Well, anybody can do it, and what all you have to do is, you have to start your sentences with V1 plus object in the positive sentences, and in the negative sentences you have to start with don't plus V1 plus object. Now let us observe the different kinds of sentences. The sentence structure is same. All the sentences will have V1 plus object, whereas the functions are different. If I say shut the door, it's an order, and if I say pass the salt please, it's a request. And the third sentence is come home for tea. It is something like invitation, right? And if I say take left and go straight, it's giving direction. And try this mobile, it's a suggestion. And beware of dogs, it's a warning. And answer all the questions carefully, it is giving instructions. And if I say have a cup of tea, it's an offer. So now if you observe it very carefully, and all these sentences have the same structure but it has different function. So what you have to do is, you have to practice the imperatives initially so that you will get confidence. Now let us take one example. Like imagine that now we want to prepare a lime juice and what we need is a lemon. Now I'll tell you the process, right? Like take a lemon, cut the lemon, squeeze the lemon and add sugar, then add a pinch of salt, stir it well, put some ice cubes, have the lime juice. So now you see how we are able to prepare a lime juice by using the help of imperatives, right? So what I can say is, if you keep on practicing with imperatives, it's quite easy to speak English. Now let us listen to some of the instructions given by the mother to her daughter. Always you know what our parents are worried. Eat properly, don't eat junk food, work hard, don't go to bed late, be careful with your money, don't go to too many parties, do exercises, don't play video games, keep your room clean, don't waste your time and don't talk with strangers. And now let us listen what the warden gives to students. Children, listen to my instructions clearly. Follow the timetable, wake up by 4 o'clock, attend study hours, keep your books neatly, get ready for school, go in a queue and don't quarrel with anyone. Take care of all your belongings. This is how a warden gives instructions. Now, in the same way, if you want to ask any questions to get directions, we can give directions by using imperatives, right? You can say, excuse me, how can I reach the railway station or Jyoti bookshop? And the first one is take left and go straight until you reach the railway station. And now we will see if you want to reach the Jyoti bookshop, right? And the second one is go down this road, take the second turning on the left and keep straight on until you get Jyoti bookshop, or wait at the corner and take an auto from there. So this is how we give directions by using imperatives. Now what will follow is, let us see what are the various commands or requests we use. Initially you have to practice with V1 plus object for positive sentences and don't plus V1 plus object with negative sentences, right? And you can say call me before 5:30, don't call me after 10 p.m. Come back soon, don't come late. Watch news channels, don't watch TV serials. Speak English, don't use Telugu in this classroom. Tell her to read, Don't disturb me. Read the newspaper. Don't read novels. Give me money. Don't give it to her. Stop smoking. Don't stop reading. Send messages to your friends. Don't send stupid messages. Take it easy. Don't take it now. You can even use shut the door, please. Please don't open it. Please tell me about her. Don't tell her, please. Help me, please. Don't disturb me, please. Or you can say, please turn off the lights. Please don't ask money. Stay here, please. Please don't talk. Be ready. No talking, please. Have a cup of tea. Don't smoke cigarettes. So this is how you can continue with a lot of positive and sentence, positive and negative instructions. And now, here we are going to practice with A to Z imperatives. Initially begin with A, like what are the verbs we have with A? Like accept my gift, don't accept his proposal. Announce the winner, don't argue with him or don't argue with her. Even you can say, ask him what to do. Don't ask money to me or don't ask money to her. Apply for the bank jobs. You can say, arrange a party today. Don't argue with him or her. You can continue in the same way. Now let us see some of the examples with the B. Be happy or be good or be cheerful and be sportive. Be here by 9 o'clock. Be on time. Be genuine. Be in your limits. Be careful with him or her. Be seated. Be friendly, or you can say be innovative. Believe me. Bring something to eat. In the same way, you can start with D. Don't be serious. Don't believe him. Don't bring money to school. Don't buy junk food. Don't boast about yourself. Don't bargain. Now, with C, you can see some of the examples with C. Collect the money. Call me later. Check your email. Cancel the order. Choose it properly. Cooperate with me. Come here on Sunday. Convince her or consider it. You can see some of the negative sentences like don't bring money to school. Don't buy junk food. Don't boast about yourself. And don't bargain. Don't cheat anybody. Don't come with me. Don't change your mobile number. Don't create nuisance here. Don't chase dogs, or you can say don't check my bag, please. And again with do, you can say do what you want. Do what I say. Decide the date, time and venue for the party. Develop your communication skills. Do whatever you like. Distribute it to all your friends. Eat fruits. Earn more money. Find your book. Give me a gift. Invite her to the party. You can give negative sentences. Don't do it again. Don't do what she says. Don't drink wine. Don't discuss with him. Don't drive fast. Don't discourage her. Don't disturb me, please. Don't delay it. Don't encourage him or don't help him. Now we can see some of the sentences with J. Join in your school. Keep your books properly. Laugh. The world laughs with you. Weep. You weep alone. Love what you do. Leave your bag here. Marry after 5 years. Don't join in the club. Don't keep it there. Don't look at her. Don't lose your money. Don't love him or don't love her. Don't leave it there, please. Marry after 25 years. Don't marry before 20 years, you can say. Now, we will see by using imperatives, we can prepare recipes. Here is one small recipe like how to cook pancake, what we call like dosa. And place a flat pan on a stove. Heat it on a slow fire. Then pour a teaspoon of oil onto it and smear it well on the whole plate with a piece of clean rag. Now take a big spoon or a ladle full of dosa dough and pour it on the pan into thin circle. Cook for some time. When it turns brown, slip a flat spoon from under the dosa and scrap from the sides without breaking it. Take it on the spoon carefully. Toss the dosa on the pan. Cook the other side. Remove the dosa and serve it hot with hot chutney. Be careful that the dough is in correct consistency. So your hot, delicious dosa is ready. Now we will see how you can give instructions. Here is a small conversation for you between Archana and Vinith. Hey Vinith, where are you off to? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you. I'm really worried, Archana. Hey, what's the matter? My parents have gone away to Mumbai and just imagine I have to cook at home. How dreadful. Of course, you can go to a restaurant. There is a problem, Archana. My granny is at home and hotel food doesn't suit her. Poor granny. Archana, stop laughing. This is not the time for jokes. Please teach me how to cook rice. You mean you can't even cook rice? No, I can't cook anything. Now can you tell me? Now this is where you can use all the instructions like take 2 cups of rice, clean it, wash it. Alright, what's next? Put in the rice cooker, pour 4 cups of water, then put on lid and wait for the steam to come out. I think I know what to do after this. Shouldn't I fix the weight? Yes, Vinith, you are right. Now wait for the cooker to whistle. Then I'll turn the heat low and keep it on for half an hour. No, only for 10 minutes. Your rice should be cooked by that time. Thanks a lot, Archana. See you later. Bye. All the best and good luck to your granny. Well, this is how you can use imperatives to give instructions, or you can make an order, or you can make a request by using imperative sentences. Well, I hope you enjoyed this session. And now what you can do is, when you go back to home, try with some recipes, like whatever favorite recipe is, and you use imperatives and tell your friends about how to use imperatives. Well, this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe the videos by Madhu's English for you, and we'll meet in the next session. Until then, bye. Happy learning English.